Good morning everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Survey 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the PPB, that is Principles and Practices of Banking. So let's start the session, and in this particular session we will be discussing about the topic KYC norms. So we are going to talk about the questions related to the KYC norms in this particular session. So let's start the session. One important request I want to tell you, I want to ask from all of you that if you are new to the channel of Officer Survey 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Apart from that, if you are watching this session recorded or live, do share the session with your friends and colleagues on the different social media platform wherever you are linked with them. Okay, so let's start the session with the first question that is talking about. The first question will be, banks have to review. The question is asking about that banks have to review risk customer list after every dash month or years. So you have to tell that after how much duration the banks have to recheck or banks have to review the risk customer list. Is it 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year or 3 years? So you have to tell which particular, is it in the months or is it in the years? Hana, what will be the right answer? A, B, C, D or E? Which of the following will be correct in context to the review of risk customer list by the banks? Okay, so very good. The right answer will be 6 months. In every 6 months, bank have to review the risk customer list. Okay, so the right answer will be your option number C. So you can see right answer will be option number C. Now the second question is talking about that as per KYC norms. Hana, as per KYC norms, branches should monitor which of the following? Branches should monitor which of the following? First, cash deposit 10 lakh and above in deposit account. Second, cash payment of rupees 10 lakh and above in deposit account. Third, cash receipt or cash payment of 10 lakh or above in the deposit account, including your cash credit or overdraft facility. Fourth, only cash deposit in savings account for rupees 10 lakh and above. So question is asking about, as per the KYC norm, branches should monitor which of the following transaction? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? So the right answer will be very good, that the cash receipt or cash payment of rupees 10 lakh or above in deposit account, including your CC and OD also. Hana, in that situation, KYC norms, bank have to monitor these transactions. Okay, so right answer will be your, again, the C option. Now next question. Third question is talking about, as per Financial Intelligence Unit, that is FIU guidelines, a bank has to mandatorily maintain records in case of suspicious transactions for a period of dash years from the date of cessation of the transaction between the client and the banking. So what we are talking about here, as per the Financial Intelligence Unit India guidelines, a bank has to mandatorily maintain the record with itself in case of the suspicious transaction for a period of how many years from the date of the cessation of the transaction between the bank and the client? Okay, so is it your 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years or 12 years? For how much duration, for how many years bank has to maintain the record of those suspicious transaction? Let me know. A, B, C, D or E? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following option is correct? Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be your 10 years. Hana, for the next 10 years, you have to maintain the data of suspicious transaction between the client and banking which happen. Okay, so the right option here will be your D option. Now, next question. The fourth question is talking about that under the KYC guidelines, banks need to conduct enhanced due diligence, that is EDD, in all following cases except in the case of dash. So EDD stands for enhanced due diligence, like we have known about the customer due diligence, simplified due diligence. Similarly, enhanced due diligence is there in the KYC guidelines. So the question is asking that under the KYC guidelines, banks need to conduct the enhanced due diligence in all the following cases except, first is saying correspondent account, second is saying non-face-to-face customer, third is saying firms with the sleeping partner, fourth trustee nominees fiduciary, fifth personal customer with the small deposits. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer will be very good. It will be a personal customer with a small deposit. In case of personal customer with a small deposit account, you do not have to go for the enhanced due diligence. Okay, so right answer will be your E option. E will be the right option. Next. Fifth question is talking about the risk of money laundering or the terrorist financing. Is lower in dash. So if we talk about the risk of money laundering and terrorism financing, in which particular case these risks are low? First is saying private banking, second is saying non-resident customer, third is saying cash intensive business, fourth is saying basic banking account, fifth is saying company having nominee shareholder. So out of these five options, in which particular case the money laundering and the terrorist financing risk is less? So you can't say private banking because private banking is risky. You can't say non-resident customers because that is also risky. Cash intensive business is totally risky because you will not be able to identify the transaction, the source of money and all. Company having nominee shareholder, not required. But in case of basic banking account, in that situation, the risk of money laundering and the terrorism financing will be less in comparison to others. Okay, so the right answer for the fifth question will be your D option. Next, sixth question is talking about, is India a member of FATF? First of all, FATF is the Financial Action Task Force. Financial Action Task Force is an intergovernmental institution that focuses on eliminating the money laundering and terrorism financing from the global market. And it also provides certain standards, certain recommendations that has to be followed by the countries who are participating in the international financial market. If those countries are not performing the international not performing the recommendation or standard that has been given by the FATF in the international financial market, then FATF can ban those countries, or FATF can give the warning to those countries to stop these kinds of activities. Okay? So is India a member of FATF? Yes, no, has applied for inclusion, is likely to be made member. So you have to tell India is a member or not. A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be yes, India is already a member of FATF, Financial Action Task Force. Okay, next. So right answer for this question will be A. Now, the seventh question is talking about banks in India can outsource. Banks in India can outsource which of the following services? KYC, marketing, control function, corporate planning, decision-making function. So out of these functions, which particular activity which particular activity can be outsourced by the bank? A, B, C, D or E? Let me know which of the following is correct. A, B, C or D? D or E? So the right answer will be obviously marketing can be outsourced by a bank easily. Marketing is the point that can be outsourced by the banks. Outsource means you are making that work to be done by the third party. That's the outsourcing means. So the marketing can be outsourced by the bank. So the right answer will be your B option. Now, next question, eighth question is talking about how many official valid documents name has been given under KYC process. So how many officially valid documents are there? 5, 4, 7, 6 or none of the above? 5, 4, 7, 6 or none of the above. The fifth option is none. Hana, it is not visible here. I will write here. The fifth option is none. So how many officially valid? Very good. Officially valid documents are 6 that we have named already. In the last session of the target series, we have actually discussed the name of all the 6 documents, right? So right answer will be 6. That is the option number. Option will be your D. Now, 9th question is talking about the cash transaction report has to be submitted on. So first of all these reports are submitted by the principal officer, and it is submitted to the financial intelligence unit that you have to submit to. So after how much duration the cash transaction report should be submitted? Last day of a month, every 7th day of a week, 31st March every year, 1st of succeeding month, 15th of succeeding month. So when the cash transaction report should be submitted to the financial intelligence unit? A, B, C, D or E? Which of the following is correct? Okay, very good. So the right answer for this particular question will be your E, 15th of succeeding month. Hana, every succeeding month on 15th, Hana, you have to submit that, the cash transaction report. Now, the 10th question is talking about which report is submitted for all transactions involving receipts by a non-profit organization of value of more than rupees 10 lakh. So which report covers the transaction, or we can call it the information about the non-profit organization's transaction? Which report covers it? First is saying your NCR, second is saying NPR, third is saying NTR, fourth is saying NOR, and fifth is saying none of the above. So the right answer will be your NTR, that is non-profit organization transaction report, and this also should be submitted on the 15th of succeeding month or till the 15th of succeeding month to the FIU by the principal officer. Okay, do remember that. So the right answer will be your C option. The option will be your C. Okay, now let me know out of 10 questions how many answers you have given correctly. Out of 10 questions, how many answers you have given correctly. If you are watching the recorded video, then also let me know in the comment section how much you scored out of 10. Now these are the details for you that on 20th of February, Hana, from 20th of February, these 2 batches has been started. That's a bilingual batch and English medium batch. That's a target batch. Now target batch will be covering the conceptual classes in detail. Ebooks test series will be there. Okay. Now apart from that, from 3rd of March, this is very important. This is your crash course. Hana, this is a crash course that is starting from the 3rd of March. Right now, this is a bilingual course. That is the crash course is starting from the 3rd March. And this is the test series. So to enroll in any of the batch, whether you are going for the target batch, whether you are going for a selection batch, you can use a code Y496. Okay, and you will get the maximum discount of 78%. If you want to go with the test series or ebook, you can use a code Y496 as that will be available for all of you, in which you will be able to get what? The 23% discount. That's the highest discount right now going on the ebooks and test series. Okay, apart from that, the Mahapacks are also available at the 78% discount. The code will be Y496. So let me tell you what is the difference between the target batch, selection batch or the Mahapacks. So if you go with the target batch, you will be covering the detailed conceptual classes, ebooks and test series. If you go with the your selection batch, you will be getting the crash course. That will be a crash course. In Mahapack, you will be getting crash course, you will be getting conceptual classes, ebook test series. Apart from that, you will be getting the revision batches in the future at the time of exam. You will be getting the case study batches. If there is a MCQ batch or the numerical batch, that will also be allowed to you to watch because you have enrolled in the Mahapack. So Mahapack will cover everything which is required to qualify the exam. Now how to enroll? Just download the Adda 24/7 application because you will get 1% additional discount there. Go to the JAIIB CIB section. If you want to go with the target batch only, click here. If you want to go with the Mahapack, click here. So this is the option for you. These all are the batches. This is the test series. Here you will find the video courses. That is very much in demand right now, the video courses. Apart from that, we have ebooks also, है ना? To enroll in any of these products, whether you are going with the target batch, whether you are going with the selection batch, whether you are going with the ebook or video course or test series, the process to enroll is same, है ना? Just click on the particular batch. This is the batch started from 20th of February, है ना? Do read all the details. After reading the details, click on the buy now option. Enter a code here. That will be Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find 77% discount here. The 1% discount will be available by using the application. Okay, so you will be getting 1% additional discount. So 78% discount is available on the target batch. Similarly on the selection batch, and this is the amount minus 1% you can do, and that's what you have to pay for the target batch. Now if you want to go with the batch, whether it is a target batch or whether it is a selection batch, or if you want to go with the video course, Hana, if you want to go with the video course, in both the cases you have to use the code, or you can use the code Y496. But in case of test series, or we can say in case of ebooks, Hana, in case of test series and ebooks, you can use a code Y496S. And do remember, on the test series and ebooks right now 23% discount is going on. How much percent discount? 23% discount is going on the test series and the ebooks. Clear? Now apart from that, this is the Maha pack. You can check, Hana, if you go with the Maha pack, you will find everything. You don't have to invest again and again. What happened now, right now we are thinking, let's take a target batch, we will be covering it, that's it, we don't need anything else. But when exam comes near, we feel like we were not having a proper time to practice the question, we were not having a proper time to revise the concepts. So we feel like, let's join the target batch, let's join the revision batch, let's join the MCQ batch, let's join the case study batch. So every time you have to spend again and again, again you have to spend on the different batches. So the best option for you, you can go with the Maha pack, either with the JIB, either with the JIB CIB, Hana? So it depends on you. So validity will be 6 months. You can do check all the details and then click on the buy now. The same process will be there, the same code will be applied, Y496, and click on apply. When you apply, it will showing 77% discount. For 1% additional discount, you can go and use the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, so you will get 1% additional discount on the price. So this is how you can enroll in any of the batch which is going on the application. Okay, and the code to enroll, I have already told you. The code to enroll will be Y496 and Y496S for the ebooks and the test series. Clear? If you still have any doubt in any question, or if you still have any doubt how to enroll, what will be better to opt and all, then you can go and ask in the comment section. I will be checking your comment and answering there. Right? So let's end the session here. Thank you for joining the session. Last but not the least, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because all the answers of your query will be available on this channel. Okay, so thank you for joining the session and have a great day. Take care all.